Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Namaste friends, this is a very short video on what I call the Sarvartha Siddhi Yoga. I was looking into the Telegram groups which was discussing auspicious times for any activity, and maybe for trading they were using it as well. So they were indicating that anything that is done on a Sarvartha Siddhi Yoga day would be a very successful event. So that of course we can look into directly Google it and check if it's a Sarvartha Siddhi day. I thought let us make a Excel file so that you can generate it for any day or any month or whatever your wish is. So that's where this has come about. In this you have to specify the date. As I given 23 September, and I'm going to increment the day one day after the other to populate for the entire month. And I have also given the time. So this is erected for a particular time. So if you are going to do your trading on a particular day on a particular time, you can verify if it's holding the Sarvartha Siddhi Yoga at that time. But in case for the whole day, if the nakshatra is going to change, then the Sarvartha Siddhi Yoga might even turn up at some other time. So one has to modify the time to check it. So this is, I give the location, and the latitude and longitude this time are already populated because we have a code input built inside. If we that's in the that requires a API key, and each person has to go and generate the API key himself. So this for my case it is I think around 2,500 number of entries per year month or so is free, and more than that you'll have to pay for it. So I cannot afford giving it to the entire population. So the key I'm not going to reveal in this video. One has to have in case you need to have the key, that is just for getting the latitude and longitude, just the get longitude code will directly give you the longitude. If you put just any city name, it will generate the latitude longitude by itself, even in Excel. So that is a very cool application. I would suggest that you go to and get the API key. Maybe we will do a separate video on maybe how we got it. And then similarly for the time zone also one can do, but normally time zone entire India is 5.5 hours, so people are aware of that, so can directly enter it here. No need for them to locate it unless if it's required, maybe a code can be entered for that as well, which we have not done. And one can choose the INAMs as well here. After that, it gets the weekday and the nakshatra and all that. So the only idea here is to identify whether it's a Sarvartha Siddhi Yoga day or not. So what I do is I put any month, say October, first is there, suppose this is September. So this is actually the increment to this particular date that it takes. So if we start with a 0 increment, the first day is the September 1st day. So you just click here. So automatically it does for all the 30 days and identifies what are the Sarvartha Siddhi Yoga days. And September 11th, which is a Monday, today is a Sarvartha Siddhi Yoga day. And similarly, tomorrow is a Sarvartha Siddhi Yoga day. So anything that you want to trade, maybe I have put 7 a.m. here, but you can put your own time when you are going to do it in your own city, and check if Sarvartha Siddhi Yoga holds at that particular time in your city. I have also entered the percentage of star, the nakshatra that is crossed by the moon at that time. So it can happen that the Sarvartha Siddhi can be there little later, or it would have elapsed before. So one has to tie different times here if we are interested. So it generates the entire. Hope this is a useful tool to you. In case you are not getting the API code, you can directly enter your latitude and longitude, and then it should work fine as what it has done for me. I'll share this file to you. Hope you can make use of this. Thank you.